Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Hi everybody, we're looking hot and humid again for tomorrow. Take some breaks in the afternoon. That's when the triple digits are going to hit us again. Isolated showers won't really begin to get going until the end of the week with this big ridge of high pressure dominating here. So rest of tonight into tomorrow, not going to need umbrellas. Maybe for the sun you will, but otherwise I think we're going to stay for the most part drier than normal. About 10 to 20% coverage, but that's a little bit better than the zeros we've been in. I think Thursday we'll have a bit more of a chance to get some showers, even a couple of thunderstorms by the afternoon. You'll see that on Next Weather rain tracker there by Thursday, and these are the kind of pop-up showers and storms that develop, and the steering currents are going to favor whatever develops to our west, pushing towards the coast. So that's going to be beneficial, not just because we need the rainfall. I don't think that's going to amount to much rainfall, but it will at least break the heat for us because it is going to be uncomfortably humid and hot for the next several days. And then some inland areas could even be getting on some thunderstorms before things weaken. That's why you see some potential blues in there. That's indicating upwards of an inch of rainfall. This is, a couple of days away, so hard to really pinpoint that, but it's nice to see some accumulating rainfall across South Florida, particularly when we have temperatures that will be 1 degree at the airport tomorrow, close to that record high set back in 08. That was 95. Tomorrow we will be doing at 94. And then Pembroke Pines, you're getting close to 100 degrees. That is the air temperature, not even factoring the humidity. And that is tomorrow. Today we had temperatures in Pembroke Pines at 95. So even a couple of degrees warmer. Brutal stuff coming up here. And of course you factor in the humidity, and it's going to feel like the 100s once again. A lot of us now into the triple digits. Today, more like upper 90s, but now we're really crossing that, century mark here coming up as far as the numbers. Places like Kendall, the usual hotter spots. West of that, Redlands are going to get it on temperatures that will feel like the low 100s. Much better, but still hot across the Keys, of course. That is going to be still not record territory, but very hot and humid indeed. As we check in on the next with the 7-day forecast, there are the better rain chances coming up towards the end of the week at 30%. We'll knock them back down. No big coverage as far as storms over the next 7, but the temperatures coming down a bit into the upper 80s to around 90.